Yeah, so basically, just hearing about Section 508, as I already mentioned previously, it reminded me of my student who has a hearing disability, and the district provided her with a microphone that I wore every single day, and that was connected directly with her hearing aids. So she was able to hear me directly through that, and then she would actually also use it too when she was working on like the computer or anything. She would just prop the microphone right next to the speaker for her computer, and then she'd be able to hear it go directly into her hearing aid. So that was definitely a useful tool for her, and I totally would see it being like part of Section 508. And then again, I already mentioned too that when I do make videos, what I did for distance learning is I tried to have the closed captioning on it. And I also tried to have like the volume settings. I would try and mess with it to make it so it was as loud as possible. I also would have my face on there too because it really helped her to be able to see my lips moving. So, like, if for some reason I was becoming muffled or something like that, she was still able to pick up what I was saying because she could read my lips, which is very obviously common for people that have a hearing disability. So this was just interesting to hear about how it applies to like an adult in a working setting. And I do think about her, becoming an adult and like what that would be like for someone that is hearing impaired. And um, I have seen with the specialist that I work with at our district, she has her own hearing aids as well. And she always asks people to, uh, when she looks at your mouth when you're talking and things like that. But um, this gave me a little bit more of awareness of different technology tools that can be used for people with, I mean, any kind of disability, but of course, because I have a student that has a hearing disability, I was thinking about her a lot and just different things um, that I could do, or maybe that I could recommend to other teachers when she continues to get older. So that's just kind of my understanding of Section 508.